Hey everyone, today I will show you how to unlock your TikTok account, and here's how it is done. Step 1. Check your account status. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. Select Report a Problem. Go to Account and Profile. Login. Suspended account. Check if your account shows us as active. If it says Account Active, your account is not actually suspended and it might just be a mistake. Step 2. Contact TikTok support. Go back to report a problem and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Chat with us. Type report a problem in the chat with the TikTok support bot. The bot will respond with a submit a ticket option. Click on that. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. Describe your issue briefly. Example, my account was mistakenly locked. Please fix it. Attach screenshots if you have any to support your claim. Click submit to send the ticket to TikTok support team. TikTok should respond within 2 to 3 days to help resolve the issue and unlock your account. And that is everything you need to know about how to unlock your TikTok account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.